Hi viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Whether we like it or not, insults are part of the language we learn, and it is part and parcel of people's personal and professional lives. In fact, data from recorded conversation shows us that between 80 to 90 words a person says per day, which is 0.5% to 0.7% of all the words used are insults or swear words. My intention in this video is not to encourage you to swear in Nigerian Pidgin English, but to simply become familiar with some abusive words that Nigerian Pidgin English speakers commonly use and that you will come across in Nigerian movies, songs, TV shows, radio, and literature. There is this myth that swearing when learning a language is the first step to fluency. Do you agree? Today, we'll be looking at some common abusive words used in Nigerian Pidgin English. My name is Bafo. Are you ready? Let's do this. Take note of my pronunciation and stress on the words. When abusing someone in Pidgin English, especially Nigerian Pidgin English, Nigerians use a lot of stress and pause in the expressions used. Now, let's get cracking.
You chop Chris. You dey ment, you dey craze, you dey mad, you don kolo, you shark saple water, you don kolo tey, then send you come, craze dey worry you. Wetin dey worry you, then swear for you, you deaf, you chop wish. If dem send you come, tell dem say you no see me, dem no born you well. Go jump inside river. Find your level. Thunder fire you. Thunder strike you there. Thunder hammer you. Ogun won't punish your papa, your father, your papa, your father nyash, your mama, yeye man, yeye woman, Chris man, Chris woman, stupid boy, stupid girl, waka, mumu. See this mumu, ode, sule, yakubu, aboki, omugo, nyashman. See your pancake nyash. See your fry pan nyash. See this swag bell. See as you be. I beg, come on for here. You no get sense. You no get number 6. Your village wish they chase you. Chris man, Chris woman, Idiot. Now Yaba left get you. Anofia. Alaroro. Ole. Barawo. Olosho. Aṣẹ́wó. Aṣáwó. Opio. Ayangba. Rotten Pilele. Anima Shaun. Runs babe. They don't swear for your generation. See your head. See your nose. See your face. See your monkey face. You resemble cow. See your toothpick leg. See your slippers breast. Ritualist. Yahoo Yahoo. G-boy. 419. Shege. Vamos for yeah. See your life. Agbero. Jaguda. Area boy. Amugbo. They fool yourself. See as you war. What do you they feel like? Who you be? You war die. Amueba. See as you fat like pig. Your head they leak. She chop wawa lick plate. Wogly. See as you ras. Ras guy. Ras babe. You ras die. Bonga fish. Oporoko. See as you black like charcoal. Dundee United. JJC. Johnny just come. If I swear for you, God go judge you. God go punish you. God won't punish you. It no go better for you. It no go better for you. Lie. It no go better for your generation. Come on, get away you. Discharge for year. Disembark for year. Dissolve for year. Fade. And to wrap up, they use the popular F word, for different things. They can be used in several different ways.